Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are doing a DIY hair mask. I never do anything DIY, so I said, you know what guys, I need to do this. Honestly, my hair needs this because it's been dry. I've been slacking on deep conditioning, and do not do that, guys. Honestly, deep conditioning is one of the biggest parts of being a natural curly girl. So I will be using a avocado. I'm doing an avocado hair mask, and the benefits for that is avocados are extremely moisturizing. They also contain natural oils, and they contain fatty acids, which are the good fats which help your hair when it's dry. Also, avocados are a great source of biotin, which help your hair grow, if you did not know that. It also helps with breakage, and then after getting my avocado in there, I will be using some olive oil, which is super moisturizing. It helps your hair with reducing dandruff. It leaves your hair super shiny. It helps with split ends. Like, all these products are really going to help your hair, keep it moisturized. We're going to go in with some honey after the olive oil. And guys, I am not measuring this out. Sorry, I'm just, doing it how I want. And the honey helps to moisturize and reduce hair breakage. It's super shiny, improves your hair. Also, it just reduces frizz, and it helps with hair growth. And then we're going in with some almond oil. I love almond oil, not only just for hair, but for skin. Also, almond oil does make your hair grow. It helps keep your hair strong. It helps with split ends as well. And then it also has vitamins in it. It softens and repairs hair, and it helps with dry scalp. Then I will be going in with the matcha and green tea wild apple blossom mask from Not Your Mother's. This is one of my favorite masks, so I had to add it. I did not add it to the blender because I didn't really want to add my hair mask in my food blender. I don't know, it just felt weird. So I just mixed it in afterwards. So for this mask, we will be applying it on freshly washed hair. My hair was super soft. Also, I had my conditioner in my hair for like 2 days because I was lazy and didn't feel like doing it. So I just now rinsed it out. Anyway, to do this mask, you just want to section off your hair. This is super important, especially when deep conditioning. You just want to make sure you are fully moisturizing all of your hair, making sure to get every strand. You don't want to leave one out. And you're about to see my hair transform from this little dry hair to this curly, moisturized, shiny, like, y'all, I'm about to use this mask monthly. I don't know why I haven't done DIYs before. Like, I've never used an avocado in my hair. I've used these oils in my hair, but that's about it. So when you make your sections, you want to make sure you're making sections within your section, making sure to get all of your hair, like I said before. Also, here recently with my deep conditioners, I have been applying them to my roots as well. I didn't used to do that because it does cause buildup over time, but from now on, I have been doing it like not constantly, but every once in a while, putting it to my roots as well, because it does help with the frizz a lot. So after I wet my hair a little bit after applying the mask, I'm going in with my brush to detangle and just make sure the mask is fully distributed all throughout my hair. So y'all know, y'all see this, like, it is gliding right through my hair. This mask combo is so bomb. And if you guys tried this, y'all better let me know, because I want to know if it worked as well as it did for me. Also, guys, I will be doing more DIYs. I'm thinking about doing flaxseed gel next, or aloe vera gel. So let me know which one you guys want. But yeah, I have applied the mask, and after I got it all throughout my hair, I'm going to twist up this section and just repeat the same thing I did to the next section. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to continue this out, and then I will show you guys after I have it fully applied. I also did want to mention, you do not have to add in the extra deep conditioner. You can just use the avocado, the olive oil, the almond oil, and the honey by itself, and I'm sure it would do great. I just personally wanted to add in that little extra deep conditioning just to make sure my hair was super moisturized, because like I said, it really needed it. Okay, now all my hair is twisted up, so I'm just applying the rest of the mask to my roots and just making sure it's all over my hair. Y'all, I don't know if you can tell, but my hair is super, super moisturized. And honestly, from the summer we have had, I need this. I have not done a in-depth deep conditioning like this in a really long time. Like, I do deep condition, but I haven't done one this moisturizing. So now I'm going in with my plastic cap, and I will be applying heat, which I thought was kind of weird because I'm like, am I cooking my food? Like, because I don't ever use food in my hair. I don't know, y'all. I don't know the logic behind it. Maybe y'all think the same as me, but yeah. I put on this mask for 30 minutes and then I rinsed it out, and y'all, my results, OMG. OMG, my hair looks so good, y'all. It just looks so good. And I used some new products today. Like, okay, I will have that out soon too. I didn't record it, but I'm going to record it. Anyway, y'all, I am in love with this mask. I will be doing this again. So let me know what you guys think. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.